Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically crop or cut out the sky from images using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon, and here you can upload your images by tapping on proceed and choosing the images from your gallery. And when you upload your images, they are going to appear here. And to crop out a sky from an image, it's very easy. You just have to tap on the tools section, go to free crop, which is going to be the second option. And here there are a few AI systems that are going to help you to cut out any part of the image. Now we are interested in the sky, and as you can see, I just tap on the sky and it already highlighted it. Now if there are any mistakes, just like here, you can delete it very easily. Okay, now I deleted too much. You can go back or just choose the sky tool again. It's very easy to use and it highlights the part of the image that you are interested in automatically, and then just go to next and you got your sky cropped out. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.